So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these faceless videos in the boring history to sleep niche. And I found this niche like almost 2 months ago. And when I saw it, I saw the new channels just creating videos every single day inside this niche, and I was checking their stats. I was absolutely blown away. And as you can see, just to give you a few examples, we have Sleepless Historian, we have Boring History, and Historian Sleepy. And when you see these stats, for example, Sleepless Historian, he's getting like 4.5 million views every single month. We have Boring History, this guy is pulling in around 700,000 views, and Historian Sleepy, this guy is getting around 2 million views every single month. Now, if we turn these views into money, so we have 4.5 million divided by 1,000, and we get 4,500. These guys are getting around $15 to $20 for 1,000 views. Now, why they are getting these high RPM? So, as you can see, these videos are 2 hours long, and they have a bunch of ads inside the video. So if we multiply 4,005 by, let's go with 15, right? So this channel, Sleepless Historian, is getting like almost $70,000 every single month, right? And if we go to the video section here and sort these by the oldest, as you can see, the oldest video is from 3 months ago, basically. And in 3 months, I think this channel made around $200,000 because these videos are long and they have a ton of ads inside the video. And the same thing is going with the Boring History and Historian Sleepy. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to create these videos easy, because when I first started, like almost 2 months ago, I made a few mistakes that cost me a ton of time. So I want you to avoid those mistakes and create these videos like in half an hour. So I will give you the prompts, the tools, everything that you need to create these boring to sleep history videos. Now, before we dive in, I just want to show you a video of mine that I have created recently.
Hey guys, tonight we're stepping into a time where people wore silk robes embroidered with gold thread, dined under candlelight in that the fumes from the toilet would keep moths smell faintly of time and mystery.
Okay, so this is the video that we are going to create, this type of video. So the first tool that we need is obviously ChatGPT. Now with ChatGPT, you will need prompts and instruct ChatGPT to give you the best results for your script. So I have this prompt here, and it says there are a few YouTube channels that are making videos in the boring history niche. And from what I know, it's quite new and trendy. And one of those channels is Sleepless Historian. And I have the link from that YouTube channel and paste it inside ChatGPT. And it's going to give you all the information about this niche, the videos with examples, and so on. Now, the next prompt that I have is tell ChatGPT basically to find similar channels in this niche. And it's going to search the web and give you similar channels in this niche, right? So we have Boring History for Sleep, we have History and Sleep, ASMR Historian, Drowsy Historian, and all that stuff. So now ChatGPT knows exactly what I want. And now that it does, I want some video ideas. And as you can see, I have this long, really long prompt. And don't worry about prompts, you will find them in the description of this video so you can download them. And I will hit on enter. It's going to give me basically video ideas. And as you can see, we have 10. And for this example, let's pick topic number 8. The life of a Mongolian nomad herding under open skies. So the next prompt, as you can see, this one is pretty long as well. And essentially we need a script that's about 2 hours, 1 hour to 2 hours. So 15,000 words up to 16, even 17,000 words. So you can change that in here. Now we have here topic. And the only thing that you need to do is just add your topic. So we have topic number 8. Right, so you can delete these brackets and say topic number 8. Hit on enter, and now it's going to give you the outline for this specific topic. Okay, so we have 15 bullets outline, and as you can see, it's already done. And what you need to type in next is continue. So I'm going to hit continue. As you can see, it's going to start with section number 1. So section number 1 is going to be around 1,100 words. And at the bottom is going to say awaiting continue. Okay. And if I say continue, it's going to go ahead and write section number 2. And as we have 15 sections, you will have to type in continue after each section. Okay, so section number 2, we go ahead with section number 3, just hit on continue. As you can see, it's going to write everything. And you will do that until you're done with section number 15. So we have basically the script. Now, we have to make the voiceovers, and also we have to create the visuals, right? Now, the first 2 or 3 videos that I've done, I spent around 10 to 11 hours to create like a video that's 2 hours long. And what I did, and this is a mistake that I did because I didn't know. Now, what I did, I created an account on 11 Labs, and I have created the voiceover using 11 Labs. Now, for a script that's about 1500 words, it's going to cost you a lot of money, a lot of credits, and you will need a lot of credits in order to make these videos every single day, right? The second mistake that I did, obviously I didn't know, is the visuals. So I have created the visuals individually, manually, using websites like Canva and also Leonardo AI. And for this type of videos, you need around 100 images, even more. So just imagine creating those visuals, those AI images, putting everything together with animation, transitions, and so on. Basically, it took me 10 to 11 hours, right? So I'm going to show you how you can cut that into like half an hour. In half an hour, you can create these videos, maybe 1 hour at most. So we have the script, and the site that we are going to use is CapCut. Now with CapCut, they recently added a new feature, and it's called Instant AI Video. Now with Instant AI Video, you can create the visuals and also the voiceovers. And the best part about it is that your visuals will be already edited, as in images will be animated, right? So what you need to do is select the style of your video. So if you scroll to the right, we have this prehistoric style. Now you want to select that and basically go to your script and copy section number 1. Okay, so we will create these videos in chunks. Paste your script in here, and next you want to select the voiceover. Okay, so in my experience, Benjamin 2 is a really great voice for this type of videos. It's a calm voice, so let's just listen to it.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Now they have a ton of voices in here, so you can go ahead and select the one that you want, but I will choose for this example Benjamin 2. Okay, and basically that is it. All you have to do next is just click on create, and it's going to create the video, the visuals. It's going to create the voiceovers, and also the best part about the visual is going to create these visuals based on what you have in your script, right? So the image is going to match your script, which is pretty cool. Now this process is going to take like 1 minute, but you don't want to export it yet because we need to make some changes. And there we go. As you can see, we have the script, and for this specific script, we have this image. You can replace the images inside CapCut by pressing this button here, but I think this one will do it. So let's check it out.
Hey guys, tonight we step onto the vast Mongolian stepster, endless sea of grasses, the wind whispering tailies of...
Okay, sounds good. Now what you want to do next is go to edit more, because as you can see, we have captions in this video. So we don't want captions, okay? So we are redirected to the editor, and as you can see, the captions basically are these on top in the orange. So select these and delete them, okay? And that's it. You have the visual and also the voiceover. And what you want to do next is click on export, click on this arrow here, name the video. So let's say section 1, like so. The resolution 1080p, we want high quality, 30 frames, and the format MP4. Click on export, and the rendering process is going to take like 2 or 3 minutes, okay? So that's section number 1. And when it's done, we are going to section number 2, and then I'm going to show you how you can put everything together, and also how to make your video stand out like Sleepless Historian, because they have some effects and also some background music, and I want you to be aware of that. Okay, so the video is done, and it's going to be downloaded to your computer automatically, right? Now, we are going back to section number 2. So I will choose again Instant AI video, go back to ChatGPT and copy the section number 2 and paste that in here. Obviously, you want to select the style of your video again, go with prehistoric, 16:9, we have the script, and select again your voiceover, Benjamin 2, and click on create. Okay, so this one is done as well. Click on edit more, delete all these captions because again, we don't need these. We need only the visuals and the script. Click on export, click on this arrow, name it section 2, the resolution 1080p, high quality, 30 frames, MP4, click on export, right? So you will do that for each individual section. And then when you have everything, we can put everything together into one video and I will show you how using a free software. It's not CapCut, I use DaVinci Resolve, but it's free. Okay, this video is downloaded to my computer and now I can show you how to put everything together. Now, again, you will have to do this for each individual section, okay? So basically you will have 15 videos. Now what we want next is to basically find a background music, okay? And Sleepless Historian, he's using some fire sounds, okay? So if we go to pixabay.com and search for fireplace, you can basically find this for free, but not in images. Just go ahead and change these to sound effects, right? As you can see, we have a ton of effects, sounds with the fireplace. And I think this one will do it. It's about 35 seconds. It doesn't matter. Just click on download. It's going to be downloaded to your computer. Now, the next thing that we need is some fire particles, okay? And I already have the video, right, with these fire particles overlay. And I will have it in the document so you can download it for free. But also you can find some fire particles overlay on YouTube, copyright free, on Google and so on. So I have it in here. I won't download another one because I will link it in the document in the description of this video, right? So we have basically everything. We have the script, we have the videos, we have the fire particles overlay, we have the background sounds. What I will do, I will just open DaVinci Resolve, which is the editor that I use to edit all my videos. And from here, you want to go with the new project. Let's say boring history and click on create. And let me make this a bit smaller. So what we want is to go to this tab here, to the editor, and add your clips in here. So just click on import media. And as you can see, I have the fire particles, we have the fire sounds, section number 1 and also section number 2. So click on open and click on change. Now, the first thing that we need is section number 1. So I'm going to drag that in here. And you can also go to this tab here so you can make some color grading to these images. And I usually play with gamma. I make these a bit darker, like so, right? Basically, that is it. So we have the actual video, we have the fire sound, and we want to drag that in here. And the volume, you can adjust the volume from your sound effect from here. So let's make it around 10.7, like so. As you can see, this won't be enough, right? Because we want to add this sound to the entire video. So what you have to do is just click on the sound effect, control copy it, add your cursor in here, click on the next part and just control V, and it's going to be pasted automatically. So we want to do that for the entire video. And what we want to do next is to add this fire particle overlay. So we want to add these in here like so, but as you can see, we have sound, which obviously we don't have any sound, but is there. So what you want to do is with these fire particles overlay, just right click and click on link clips, right? Now this is going to unlink the audio from your video. And what you want to do is just delete the audio because we don't need it. Now, as you can see, it's not covering the entire video. So just select the fire particle overlay and adjust the zoom from here like so, okay? Now it's covering the entire visuals. So what you want to do next is go to composite and click on add. So change from normal to add, right? And now we have this video, which I think looks pretty good, isn't it? Now next I want to add section number 2. I'm going to drag the section number 2 in here like so. And basically copy and paste the sound effect until it covers the entire video like so. And basically you will do that with each individual section, okay? Put the section together add a sound effect, add this fire particle overlay, and basically that is it, right? So I will cut everything in here because this is the end of the video, like so. And basically what you want to do next is export it, okay? So go to this tab, and as you can see, we have the file name. So name your file, let's say boring123, like so. Select the location where you want to download this video. And we have some options in here. And for the resolution, select 1920 by 1080p, 30 frames per second, and you can leave these as is. And I will add this to my render queue and click on render. And now this video is going to be rendered. But this process is quite easy when you add everything together, especially with CapCut, because you don't want to deal with those AI images, add them individually, add animation, transitions, and so on, because it's going to take you a lot of time. Okay, so the video is done. What we want to do next is basically to create the thumbnail. Now, I also have a prompt for this thumbnail. So, I mean, it's not a prompt, but when you have generated the script for your video, you want to tell ChatGPT to give you a prompt, right, for the specific topic, and should be in the sleepless historian style, okay? So as you can see, okay, give me a prompt for a thumbnail, and we have topic. Now, you want to remove the topic and enter your title, okay? And we have this topic, okay? And I will copy the title and paste that in here, like so, and hit on enter. And it's going to give you a prompt that you can use, for example, with Leonardo AI, and create your thumbnail. So I will open Leonardo AI, and you want to go with image. The model is going to be Phoenix, and the style should be dynamic, okay? Set your resolution, which is 16 by 9, and basically that is it. So I will paste the prompt in here and click on generate, and it's going to give you 4 variations. And as you can see, these are the thumbnails. I don't really like them, so I'm going back to ChatGPT and say change this prompt and add white canvas. Okay, so we have this prompt. Let's just copy it, paste it again in here like so. And we have top left, boring history for sleep, bottom center, the life. So we don't need this. And top left, let's say big history for sleep. Click on generate. I want the white canvas, and also boring history for sleep should be larger, a larger text. Okay, so we have something that looks good, boring history for sleep. And I think this one will do it. I mean, it's actually a really, really good thumbnail. So yeah, you can download this or even this one, but the text is too small. This one looks amazing. So I will download these and go to Canva, select YouTube thumbnail, and drag your image in here and drag and drop it in here like so. So it fits the canvas. And basically this is it. Now in Canva, you can add more elements if you want. You can add more text and so on. But I think this one will do it. So I will say, I will rename this file, boring history to sleep. Now I'll click on share, click on download, and it's going to be downloaded to my computer. And basically, guys, this is it. Let's check out the video. So I will close DaVinci Resolve. Let's check out the video.
Hey guys, tonight we step onto the vast Mongolian steppes, endless sea of grasses stretching along in one spot. You don't build permanent homes. Instead, your life unfolds in a yurt, a port.
Right, so what you have to do next is upload it to your YouTube channel. So again, all the prompts that I used will be linked in the description of the video. And also I will give you that fire overlay so you can download it and use it. And essentially, guys, this is it, right? This is how you can create these videos for absolutely free. Now, just one tip. With ChatGPT, if you have the free version, it's going to generate this script. It's going to be okay, but if you upgrade and use ChatGPT 4.5 or 4.0, it's going to give you a better script. And yeah, now if you have any questions, guys, make sure you ask them below, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe.